Hello to my Pisces. All right, Pisces, let's see what is in your cards for this week. Let's get into it. Talking to you wherever Pisces is in your birth chart. Let's see what's in your cards. Let's get into it. Let's get right into it. All right, so let's see what's in your cards. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's in your cards. So we had a new moon in a partial solar eclipse. So solar eclipses are about resetting, but it's a partial reset, right? During this eclipse season. So let's get into it. Let's get right into it. Let's get right into it. So already prayed over your cards. So start packing. Your new dream home is loading. Your new dream home is loading. All right, let's get into it. All right, let's start packing. Your new dream home is loading. All right, let's get it. So the moon is moving from, and I'm talking to you wherever Pisces is in your birth chart. So even my cross watchers, please check your birth chart. Please check your birth chart. So Pisces rules 12th house. The 12th house is all about spirituality. It's all about addictions and psychic abilities and healing and solitude and endings and world service and secrets and emotions. And so it could have been someone's dream, like someone's secret dream, right? Could have been someone's dream to move into their dream home, right? So it could have been someone's dream. Something could be happening for someone to finally move into their dream home. So let's get into it. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Here we have 7 of Swords, right? All right. So something is ending. Something is closing out. Here's the 7 of Swords here. Here we have the Knight of Swords here. So this is what you have in common with someone. This is what you have in common with someone. So you're on top of something. You're on top of something. This is you and someone. This is what you have in common with someone. Someone that you love, by the way. Here's the Hierophant card. Right. So you and someone cleanse by air. That's how you and someone cleanse. You all cleanse by air. Maybe you all like riding motorcycles. Maybe you and someone like riding motorcycles. Maybe you all like listening to music. Maybe you all like expansion. Y'all like, standing like on the edge, like kind of living on the edge, like expansion, that kind of thing. We all have that kind of a spirit, like living on the edge. That kind of thing, right? Right, here's a Tower card. Here we have this. You have a lot of ideas. You and somebody have a lot of ideas. You have a lot of big ideas, right? So here we have the three of cups here. So just gratitude. Y'all are just grateful, right? Y'all are just, in the posture of gratitude. Just real grateful, right? Just waking up from some nightmares. Here we have 7, 6. Here we have the Queen of Cups here. Here we have the Six of Pentacles here. I see some money coming across your path. This is nice. Well, all right now, y'all got some big money. Ka-chang. That's what I'm seeing. Ka-chang, ka-chang. Ka-chang, ka-chang, ka-chang. So y'all got some money coming across your path. See? Right? Yeah. Just seeing things from a higher frequency here. So somebody is feeling really lucky. So you got some money coming across your path. Yeah, so somebody got some money coming across their path. So this right here, so it looks like somebody could be moving into a house. Yeah, somebody's moving into a house. Nice. Yeah, somebody's feeling free. Yeah, somebody moving into a house. So yeah, this is all about expansion here. This is all about expansion here. Yeah, so yeah, you got some money coming through. Yeah, so somebody, let me see. So somebody could be taking a flight somewhere. I don't know who's taking a flight somewhere, but somebody taking a flight somewhere. So yeah, this would look like, it looks like some expansion, some things are behind you, so you're taking a flight somewhere. Let me see what's going on. Somebody feel like they hit the jackpot. A lot of your wishes are being fulfilled here. And these are some things you've been talking about for a while. This is what you've been talking about for a while now. So yeah. We got the King of Wands here. Yeah, so somebody said they had your back. They had your back right here. This King of Wands. So somebody said they had your back. Yeah, so looks like somebody you could have been romantically linked with, or somebody said they had your back. So lovers. Somebody either in a business, romantic relationship with, or, like a business, either a business or romantic situation. They have your back. They said they have your back. So start packing, for your new dream home. They have your back. Right? So I see, your money growing. So they planting, y'all relocating new seed, like y'all can plant seeds. I mean, like, I guess relocate somewhere. Yeah, y'all can plant some seeds somewhere. Here we have the King of Pentacles here. Yeah. King of Pentacles here. Mm-hmm. So I'm seeing rich energy here. Yeah, rich energy here. Lots of rich energy here. Yeah. And we have the Page of Swords here. So whatever anxiety you may have been feeling is going away very, very soon. You know, lots of ideas, you know, kind of open book, lots of ideas for some things, you know. Yeah. And I'm seeing victory here, so. Yep. So this is nice. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah, something has looked like it has been exhausting. Something has been exhausting. Woo and chow. Something has really been exhausting. Yeah, believe in the impossible. Something like this, an opportunity only comes around once in a blue moon. Yeah. How often does a blue moon happen? I have to look that up online. I'm going to look that up online because I think a blue moon, I have to look it up. Yeah, so you can just wake up from a nightmare. Wake up from a nightmare. Yeah, life is a gift. So life is unfolding for you, so seize the day and make the most of every chance to be true to yourself and live life to the fullest. It's time to cut out all the noise. Time to cut out all the noise. And so trust your feelings. You are unique. Your destiny is waiting for you to write your story and pave your own path. Follow your heart. Don't let others dictate who you should be. Receiving it all, you deserve to receive abundance at full capacity. Believe in your worth and trust that your universe is ready to deliver all that you desire. Open up. Instant manifestation. So soul and mind working together create a dream in your heart. You have nothing to lose. You carry the dream. Your intention is pure. Be ready to receive. Where there is hope. Don't believe the past defeats or disappointments will keep you from succeeding. True success grows from the lessons. A hopeful heart never gives up. Flexibility. Be flexible in your methods. Fast changes. Take bold steps forward. Fruits of labor. Rich gain is here. Gambling. Don't risk too much. Exhausted. Recharge and regroup. Authority. Be self-confident. Partnerships. Prioritize your connections. Vacation. Time to recharge. Social status. Don't get arrogant. Money matters. Invest your money wisely. Investments. Invest wisely. Well, all right. Well, all right. All right. All right. Well, there it is. There it is. That is what I have for you. And that is what I have for you. Yes, 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 and yes. So, Source really wants you to see things from a higher frequency. See things from a higher frequency when you are operating. Like I said, see things from a higher frequency. That is what I have for you. All right, bye.